So, hello students, this is class third, subject GSC. We are studying lesson 9. Reading is over, so we are going to see the worksheet 9. So, in the worksheet 9, first A, fill in the blanks. A, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So 5 questions are given here. So first is found in desert areas. Soil is found in desert areas. Whose soil? Sandy soil. So sandy soil is found in desert areas. So first you have to fill sandy. First, sandy. And second, soil can hold enough water and enough air for plants. So, soil can hold enough water and enough air for plants. Which will be correct? What you have to fill? Loamy soil. Second, loamy soil. Loamy. So soil is written. So no need of writing the soil. So third, now you can see question number third. Is the remains of plants and animals present in this soil? Is the remains of plants and animals present in the soil? So what you have to fill? To write it humus. Humus is the remains of plants and animals present in the soil. So third you have to write the humus. Third, humus. And fourth, you have to see the question number fourth. Now fourth, plants mostly grow in the top soil. So first you have seen the soil profile, and this see here desert plants mostly grow in the top soil. So plants mostly grow in the top soil. Fourth, you have to fill top soil. Now fifth, protecting soil from erosion is called. Protecting soil from erosion is called soil conservation. Is called soil conservation. Soil conservation. It's called soil conservation. So once again, you can see fill in the blanks. First, sandy soil is found in desert areas. Now second, loamy soil can hold enough water and enough air for plants. Now third, humus is the remains of plants and animals present in the soil. Now fourth, Plants mostly grow in the top soil. Now next, fifth, protecting soil from erosion is called. Protecting soil from erosion is called soil conservation. So you have to write. Now next, B, tick the right answer. B can write B here. B. Tick the right. Take the right answer. B. Take the right answer. So we have to say first, a mixture of sand, clay and humus. A mixture of sand, clay and humus. Three options are given here: sandy soil, loamy soil and clay soil. So which will be correct? Loamy soil is correct option. The first is loamy soil. First is loamy soil. Now second, soil is formed by the breaking of. Second, you see, soil is formed by the breaking of. Three options are given: rocks, minerals and sand. So as you know, that is, soil is formed by the weathering of rocks. Weathering means breaking of rocks. So rocks is correct option. Second, rocks. Now third, the soft and dark layer of the soil in which plants grow is. The soft and dark layer of the soil in which plants grow is. Three options are given. First is bedrock, second is subsoil and third is top soil. So here top soil is correct option. So third, top soil. And fourth, wearing away of soil by wind, rain and running water is called. So once again you listen. Wearing away of soil by wind, air and running water is called. Three options are given: soil conservation, soil erosion and soil protection. So here soil erosion is correct option. Fourth, soil erosion. Soil erosion is correct option. Now fifth you see, farmers make the soil fertile by adding. Farmers make the soil fertile by adding. Three options are given: air, water and manure. So here manure will be correct option. Manure. So once again we have to see. First, tick the right answer. First, A mixture of sand, clay, and humus. 3 options are given. Sandy soil, loamy soil, and clay soil. So here loamy soil is correct option. Now second, soil is formed by the breaking of. 3 options are given. Rocks, minerals, and sand. So rocks is the correct option. Now third, the soft and dark layer of the soil in which plants grow is. Now see once again, the soft and dark layer of the soil in which plants grow is. 3 options are given: bedrock, subsoil, and the top soil. So here top soil is correct option. Now next, fourth, wearing away of soil by wind, rain, and running water is called. 3 options are given: soil conservation, soil erosion, and soil protection. So here soil erosion is correct option. Now fifth, farmers make the soil fertile by adding. 3 options are given: air, water, and manure. So manure is correct option. So you write the answer. During writing, you have to write all the 3 options, and after writing all the 3 options, you have to make the tick against the right answer. So that's part today. Next time we will discuss about the match the following, name of the following. So and the two I think we will able to write. So that's part today. Thank you.